In this movie, we are going to look at submitting an assignment to a Dropbox for grading. So as you can see, I'm logged into Plato, and I am going to go ahead and log into my grade 8 language arts class, even though they're all the same. The setup is anyway. So within this course, the naming convention is going to be a little different than some of your newer classes. This one you can see actually says application 1, and here's the Dropbox. So this is your actual assignment, but this is where you will submit it. In future updates to the course, at least English 7, 8, and 9, they'll be a little bit different. It will say click here for your Dropbox assignment, and then right next to it will be the Dropbox. So it'll look a little different in a new version, but right now it's not ready. So what I'm going to do is look at application 3. So when I click on it, okay, it will open in a new window, which is over here. So this assignment is going to be looking at a poem called How Do I Love Thee by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. And when I look at the directions, I can see I need to open the document labeled 8B, answer only, Dropbox 3. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to click on that and open it. And on my computer, this will open in a new browser window. Yours might be a little different. So you can see that you can just click in here and you can type your information on the document, and then you would save it to your computer. But you can see I flipped through really fast, sorry about that. There are different things to complete on each of the pages. So you would just go ahead and type all of your answers in there. Then what we would do is we would hit save, and I can see the directions over here. Save it to your desktop, and the specific directions are to save it as last name 8B DB3, which is Dropbox 3, How Do I Love. So let's see if we can do that. So we'll hit the little save icon. And what this should do, here we go. So where you save it is pretty important also. I made a folder called English Work. So that's where I'm going to save it. So I'm going to follow the directions. I'm going to put my last name, and then 8B, good, and then DB3, so I'm going to delete all that, DB3, and then I can get rid of these numbers. How do I love? Okay, so I'll go ahead and save it, and once I have it saved, I know I can go ahead and close it. Now I'm going to go back to my class, and I'm going to get to Dropbox 3. So here's my Dropbox. I will click on my Dropbox. And what I will do is upload a new file. Oh, and one thing to note, in every Dropbox there are directions for uploading. This document is the exact same document you will see in all of your Dropboxes in this course. The directions are always the same. They never change. So what I'm going to do is upload a new file. I'm going to choose it. Notice that 3 megabyte is the maximum file size. If it's larger than that, you'll need to send it as an email attachment. So I need to get back to my English work, and here it is, McLaughlin. I'm going to choose to upload it, and there we go. I've successfully added it. Now I need to click on it. I need to submit selected file. Now here's the tricky part. You must submit for scoring. If you submit it for review, your teacher will not be able to enter a grade into Plato. So you need to make sure that you submit for scoring, and then you just click Submit Files, and there it is. You have successfully submitted your file for scoring. So now you can go ahead and click on Exit Dropbox. And there we go. So now we're back in the class. So that was a quick look at submitting to the Dropbox. Once it has been graded by your teacher, and this is one that has been graded, you can just click on it and you will see your activity has been scored. My score was a 0. I need to click on comments log and I will see why. You need to submit your assignment, not a screenshot. Please try again. So that's why I got a 0 on that assignment. So I would need to go back in and submit it again.